Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone in today's class. Our textbook is Week 2, and today inshallah we will cover Unit 1, My House Phonics, on page 9. And this lesson will be presented by me, teacher Mazen Harbi. So let's begin. Quick revision in our last lesson. In our last lesson, we did the listen to a chant. And not only listening to a chant or reading a chant or story, what we also did is that we did the color O and U we have read in this story. So let's again remind ourselves of this story, and after we do read this story and we follow with the teacher while he reading, we can also color the letters O and U. So last time, when we have this lesson about an ox and the story of an ox. Let's read it now, and then we read it again with following, and we color the letters. The ox story. An ox sat on a box. He had fun in the sun. He was hot. He sat under a tree, then he was not hot. So now let's read it one more time, and this time I'm going to point and I would like you to follow and read it with me. So let's start. An ox sat on a box. He had fun in the sun. He was hot. He sat under a tree. Then he was not hot. So this is a story about an animal, which is an ox, which is the male or the male of a cow. So this animal, once he sat on a box and he had fun in the sun. He enjoyed being under the sun. And then he was hot. The weather became hot for this ox. So he sat under a tree. He sat under a tree. Then the weather is no longer hot. It was not hot. This is our simple story. So now what we're going to do, which is the second thing we did last time, is to color letter O and to color letter U with different colors. So we can know and differentiate between O and U. So let's try to color these letters O and U. We're going to choose letter O. We color it with the color red. The color red. So we color it like this, so we know the differences between O and U. So we know the differences between these two letters. So we chose letter O, we color it with red, so I would like you to color it with me. Like this, we color these letters like this, so we can know the differences between O and U. So we first we trace or we did color the word the O in the word ox, and then the O in the word on when we say on a box, and then the O in the word box. The O in the word box like this. So also we did color the O in the word hot. The color in the word hot like this. So here you go. This is how we color these letters, so we can never forget what is the differences between O and U. And also we did color the O in the word not. We did color the O and the word not like this, and we said that we color the letters O with red like this, and also the final word we have is the word hot, so we color the O in the word hot. We color the O in the word hot. So like this, we do color it, so we know the differences between and can differentiate between letter O and also letter U, and also never forget the words that we did color. So what we did is that we did color these letters, letter O, and also we said that we can color the other letter, which is letter U, with the blue color. So here we have letter U from the word fun. From the word fun, we do color letter U like this. We color it in different color. We color it in different color from the word fun. And I'm sure you will be more perfect in coloring than me. So we color the letter U in fun, and also we color the letter U in sun. So we color the letter U in fun and also in sun, like this. So here we have U in fun and U in sun, and also we have other U, which is with the word under, with the word under. So here you go. Here we did color 3 letters of U, three letters of the letter U, and also almost 5 letters of the letter O. So we do color them like this. So not only we read the story last time, also we read it, we understand what is the story is about, and also we did color O and U. And the other thing we did last time is that we listen and spell how to say each of these words. And we said that what do you mean by the word, or what do you mean by spelling, is to tell exactly what are the letters that this word consists of. For example, number 1, how do you spell ox? How do you spell ox? So what are the letters that this word is made of? We can say the word ox can be spelled like O and X, O and X. And also the second question, which is, how do you spell box? How do you spell box? So just listen to the word box, close your eye, and tell me, what do you think or how do you think we can write box? What are the exact letters? Can you spell these letters for me? The letters are B, O, and X. B, O, and X. The same goes for number 3. Here, as you can see, how we spell box? B, O, and X. Now, with number 3, close your eye and listen to this question. How do you spell the word fun? How do you spell the word fun? So just tell me how we can write the word fun. Now open your eyes and see. This is how we spell the word fun. As you can see here, we write F, U, and N. Fun, fun. Also, now close your eye one more time and tell me, how do you spell the word sun? How do you spell the word sun? Tell me how to write the word sun. Now you can open your eyes and see that this is how we spell the word sun. We spell it like S, U, and N. This is how we spell the word sun. And also, one more time, close your eyes and tell me, how do we spell the word hot? How we spell hot? Just tell me how to write it. Imagine that you're writing this word and tell me how do we spell it. And now you can open your eyes and see. We spell hot like this. H-O-N-T. H-O-N-T. Hot. And the last word we have, which is the word not. Close your eyes for me one last time, I promise, and tell me, how can we spell the word not? How can we spell the word not? Now you can open your eyes and see that we spell the word not like this. N-O-and-T. N-O-and-T. So this is how we can spell all of these words, starting from the first word we have, which is the word ox, and also the word box that has O in the middle, and also the word fun with U in the middle, and also the word sun, the same, with U in the middle, and also the word hot with letter O in the middle. And this is how we spell the word not, with letter O in the middle. So now, let's get to know our objectives in today's lesson. At the end of this lesson, we hope that you will be able to read the 3-letter word speed reading and spell the 3-letter words correctly and read and comprehend simple sentences. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to read words that consist of only 3 letters, as what we did with box, fun, hot, and not. And not only this, but also what we're going to do is that we're going to speed reading these letters or these words, which means that we're going to read them, but we're going to read them fast. So here I would like you please to open your books on page 9. I would like you please to open your books on page 9. Now, so for the speed reading exercise we have, what I would like you to do is to make pairs. To just ask maybe your classmate or a family member, maybe your brother, your sister, your father or mother, and also maybe your friends. Just to make pairs, bring them together and read together and clap. So not only you're going to read the 3-letter words, but also I would like you to clap while you are reading them. So I'm going to read them slowly first, and then we will try to read them fast, because this is our exercise to speed read. And also what I would like you to do is to clap while you are reading these words. So the first group of words is dot, not, and hot. Say with me, dot, not, hot. Now, let's try to speed reading them, but this time I would like you to clap while you're speed reading. So if we want to speed reading, we would say dot, not, hot. Dot, not, hot. This is how we speed reading them. Now you can switch. When you are together, you're making pairs, you can clap when each one of you will say these 3 letters word. Dot, not, hot. Now, let's move on to the other 3 words, which are nut, but, cut. Say with me, nut, but, cut. So now we can speed reading these words, and I would like, of course, to clap with me. Nut, but, hot. Nut, but, not, but, cut. Nut, but, cut. Very good. You see how this exciting can be? So when you have this list and you're trying to read them and speed reading them, you can do like me. You can make mistakes. So this is the fun of speed reading, that you can make sure you can read these words carefully so you can avoid any mistake. So let's listen to the other three words. And as I said, it is important that you try to clap when you read them. The other words are ox, fox, box. Say with me, ox, fox, and box. So now let's speed reading these words, and I would like you to clap with me. Ox, fox, box. Ox, fox, box. Very well. Now let's move on to the last group of words that we have, the last three words we have, and let's read them as well. So the last words we have are sun, fun, run. Say after me. Sun, fun, run. Very good. Now let's speed reading them, and I would like you to clap with me. Sun, fun, run. Sun, fun, run. Very good. Now, as you can see, these are the whole words that we're going to speed read. We can say dot, not hot, not, but cut, ox, fox, box, sun, fun, run. These sets of words will be more interesting if you do memorize them, and also if you can clap when you read them together. So make sure that you and your classmates or your family members, when you gather together, or your friends or relatives, when you gather together and have these words in front of you, make sure that you can read them, not only reading, but also speed reading, as we did. When you speed reading and you clap once you read them. So now, at the end of this lesson, it is important that you can say the spelling of 2 of 3-letter words, and also to read the 3-letter word speed reading list by yourself. So these are very important things that we can do for this lesson. So now we have reached the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.